What's up? Welcome back. I'm out here. I kayaked out this morning. I got the spread put up already. It's about 20 minutes before shooting time. We're fixing to get after it. I scouted this place 2 days ago and seen 200 mallards, give or take, in here. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Hopefully we'll get a limit worth of greenheads. That's what I'm going for. And then 2 gadwall, because there's a lot of gadwall in here. But we'll talk to y'all in a little bit. There's a couple of them. We got 2 teal already here. And it's not even 6:50 yet. Right at that first light, I had those 2 mallards laying right in the decoys right here in front of me. And then sun's rising now. I move the decoys out just a little further. I'm sitting inside of this thicket, willow thicket right here. I'm sitting in back here, as y'all can see. And then that bird right there, green-winged teal. Yeah, I'm hoping that maybe later on in the morning maybe we'll get some more mallards, because we done busted every gadwall out of here. They're gone now. Hopefully we'll get some more here in just a second. There's the first straight mallard in the morning. Did it perfect too. Shot a little to the left of him that first shot, but I got him. Look, he's here. And there's the decoy spread. That's how far that cleanup shot was. That's a long ways. Great mallard. Nice Drake mallard. No band, sadly, but there we go. Hopefully we'll get some more here in just a little bit. We'll talk to y'all in a minute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there's another one. There's another one. The strap's looking pretty good already. That was all the Mojo's work. I didn't pull that jerk rig, nothing, one. Well, still got 2 more mallards to go, and I still need 1 more bonus duck, so we'll see. Maybe I can scratch out a limit here if I wait long enough, maybe. We'll see. Stay tuned, let's see if I can get full limit. Well, my GoPro just died, but I just killed 2 gadwall. Other one's up here. Right there. Drake gadwall and a hen gadwall. Oh yeah. Alright, well, it's about 10:36, and I've seen 1 gadwall in an hour, so I think I'm gonna call it there. There's a few gadwalls still. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that way over there, but on the other side of the bank, over here to my left, still in here over there. But I'm gonna get this stuff packed up, get back to the truck, and y'all have a good one. Be safe hunting out there, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.